My name is Judy and thank you for joining me. Today we are going to work on our trailing jade. As you have seen, it's quite a beautiful plant. It's native to Kenya and Tanzania. It's a hardy plant, low maintenance plant. So if you are a beginner, this is the plant for you, okay? Now, it is a succulent and holds most of its water in its leaves, okay? So you can see just how plump the leaves are. I hope you can see. Okay, it does well in full sun to part shade. However, if the sun is extremely hot, please put it under shade because you do not want the leaves to be burnt, okay? Now, it does not need a lot of water. So the only time you should water it is when the soil is completely dry, okay? Too much water will lead to root rot, okay? Now, it also does well in sandy soil or in any well-draining soil. Soil that is not well-draining will also lead to root rot. Apply fertilizer at least once in a year. If you feel that your plant doesn't need the fertilizer, don't apply, okay? It can go without, okay? So if you apply a lot of fertilizer, what is going to happen is that your plant will become leggy. By leggy, I mean that the distance between the two leaves, like here and here, let me show you. Like the distance between here and here will be elongated, okay? So the plant will not look nice, okay? You can tidy up the plant by removing any dead leaves, but you hardly see any, okay? You get a dead leaf at least once in a while, okay? That's why it's a low maintenance plant, okay? I'm going to show you how to propagate and it's very easy, okay? So I'll take the longest branch. I'll go with this one here. Now, I'm going to cut this part. I don't need a lot, so this is it. I'm going to put this on the side. So I'll just get like 3, yeah? 3 stems will do, okay? Yeah. I'll also cut the top because I want it to branch out. It may not branch out, but that's fine, okay? So here we have these 3, and this is what we're going to work with, yeah? This is what we're working with, yeah? I have 3 of these, yeah? Now, with succulents, you have to make sure that you give them anywhere from 3 to 1 week or even more, so that this part where you made a cut, yeah, dries up, okay? And it forms a scar, okay? So that when you put the succulents into the soil, they don't rot, okay? So anywhere from 3 days, yeah? Just as long as this part becomes dry and forms a scab, okay? So I'm also going to cut the bottom leaves because they're just going to rot if I put them in the soil. Okay. Yeah. So you cannot plant immediately you do a cutting. But if you can, just put it in the soil, make sure your soil is dry, and then you can water after 1 week, okay? Now here we are, yeah? And also make sure that you don't turn your plant upside down, yeah? It's not going to grow. So you have to know the direction it's facing, okay? So I have with me these 3 branches. Now these have been out for like 2 weeks. I forgot about them and they're already dry, but this will do. It's a hardy plant, like I said, yeah? Stores much of its water in its leaves, so it will survive, yeah? So being here for like 2 weeks, and you can see, I don't know whether you can see, I hope so. there's a little leaf coming up, yeah? So it's still growing even after staying without water for like 2 weeks, you see? Yeah. I hope you can see. I know it's not clear. Okay, so this is what I'm going to plant here. This is my soil. It's red soil, well draining soil. And I'm just going to put water. It's completely dry, so it really needs some water. We're just going to push the stem into the soil. There you go. Also remember what I've said, make sure you know the direction of the plant. You don't want to plant it upside down, okay? And that's it, yeah? It's that simple, okay? So in a few months' time, this is how the plant will be looking like. Forget about this one. This one is something else. But this is how it's going to look, yeah? It does grow fast, yeah? See, this one is branching out. Yeah? You can see just how easy it is to propagate and take care of this plant. So thank you so much for watching. Please keep on subscribing and I'll see you on the next one.